Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to explore how to calculate your age using a date of birth in Excel. Before we proceed with the actual syntax for the formula that we are going to use, let us make sure that our cells are formatted correctly. To make sure that we are correct, be sure to drag the cells under date of birth and right-click and go to Format Cells. We must make sure that the formatting lies under date. It doesn't matter what type of date you're using as long as we're using date. Now that we have that, let's proceed to the cells under age. Right-click and Format Cells again. We must make sure that our cells are under the number category. Normally, if this is your first time doing this, the decimal places are set into 2. Go ahead and make it 0 so that we can get an exact age for our answer. Now, to proceed with the actual syntax, let's go ahead and type datediff. Do not be scared if this function isn't listed on your Excel, because it is not commonly used. That's why it's not on the automatic functions for Excel. Now, let's place an open parenthesis. And then, for the first term of the syntax, go ahead and choose our reference date. It should be the cell beside the selected cell. To proceed to the next term, we must separate it using a comma. For the second term, we must use another reference date. If you want to keep an updated date every time you open Excel, go ahead and choose today. You can use the date today by typing today and placing an open and close parentheses right after it. And there you go. Let's proceed to the next term. For the next term, we want to know the units that we are going to use. You can either use years, months, or days. But for today's video, we are going to use years. To use years, you must indicate the letter Y. But be careful because you must enclose it between 2 quotation marks. To finish the syntax, we need to use a close parenthesis and press enter. And there you go. Now we have an age for the corresponding date of birth. To get the age of the remaining date of births, you can just click on the existing cell or the cell that we just previously did. Drag the green box on the lower right portion of the cell downwards until the last item. And there we go. And that is how we calculate age using a date of birth in Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.